Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add follow button on Facebook account. So let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. After you log in, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the settings or gear icon available in the top right corner right next to the magnifying glass. Then scroll down and tap on the post option available in your settings. Now in post, turn the who can see your post into public. Now go back and tap on the who can contact you or how people can contact you and turn every button into public or everyone option available there. After you complete changing all in public or everyone, tap on the follow or contact list option available there and turn these as well into public. If they are in friends or private, then make sure to turn every toggle to the public. After that, go back to your profile. After you go back to your profile, simply tap on the three dot option available in your profile and tap on the view as, and you can see there is the follow button on your Facebook. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.